Hi everyone. Here are the most meritorious dog for humanity part 1. 1. Balto. This Siberian Husky braved the bad weather to help stop an epidemic. He led the delivery of serum in Alaska in 1925. 2. Smokey. This Yorkshire Terrier dog was found abandoned in a foxhole in New Guinea by a United States, U.S., soldier. 3. Leica. This mutt from Russia has paved the way for humans to travel to outer space by serving as guinea pigs. In November 1957, he became the first dog to orbit the Earth. Do you like this video? Please share, please comment, please subscribe.